Working remotely completely changed my life. Now I have time, energy, and freedom to enjoy the things I love. That's why I created a free training showing the exact steps I use to attract remote opportunities. Check the link below and get free access right now. Today is the day when you stop writing scripts and start writing software. Basically, what I'm going to teach you today is going to separate you from the programmers that only know how to write scripts. Because today is the day when I'm going to teach you how to write reusable code. And if you don't know what is a reusable code, it's basically a way of writing code that allows you to grow your application, to grow your software in an organized way, and it allows you, as a consequence, to create more robust applications without losing control of your code. All right? So basically, this represents the scripts that you are used to write. They are basically one line of code below the other, and they basically perform some operation. You put some conditions, some loops, and that's okay. This brought you to this level that you are right now. But to become a professional developer, you must be able to organize things as they grow. So the first thing you are going to learn is how to turn these lines of code, these little scripts that you know how to write, into functions. Okay, so I'm going to put these lines of code into this box, and you are going to call this function, right? Basically, a function is a group of lines of code that do something, and you encapsulate these lines of code and give them a name. This allows you to call that lines of code all the way across your software. All right, so you write once and you call every time you need. Once you learn how to write a function, you are going to be able to write many functions. So you are going to write many functions, and you are going to learn how to turn this group of functions into something that we call module. Alright, so we are going to aggregate all of these functions into something that we call module. And at this point, you're going to be able to write many modules, right? So when you write many modules, you are going to be able to put all of these modules inside another bigger box that we call package. So package, or you can call it library. There is a small difference between packages and libraries, but you're going to understand this soon, all right? But for now, this is what you need to know. Take a look. You are here. Today, you know how to do this. In this moment, you know how to write this, the lines of code, as a script. And this is basically what most programmers know how to do, right? By the end of this lesson, you are going to reach another level of writing code, because you are going to learn how to turn these lines of code, these little scripts, into functions. Then you will become able to write many functions, and this is going to require that you also organize your functions. and you are going to group them into modules. But as a consequence, you are going to start writing many modules. So you are going to organize them into packages and libraries, right? So can you see the new level of programming that you're going to achieve by the end of this lesson? But we are also going to see more, right? Because when you reach this level of writing software, you are going to start reusing your code, right? So for example, this module right here have these functions, but this function right here, one of the lines of this function can be basically the calling of the calling of this function, you know? So this is why I call this lesson code reuse, because when you have this level of software, you are probably going to see situations where inside of one function of one module, you are going to notice that one of the lines that you thought that you needed to write, you have already written in a function that is part of another module. So instead of rewriting and duplicating your code, you can just call that function. You can just, in this line of code here, you can just use the function that you wrote here, you know? You're going to understand all of this because you're going to write all of this by the end of this lesson. And to finish, I'm going to show you how to manage the dependencies, right? Because in this case, if you are trying to run this module and you are using this function, but this line of code depends on this module because it uses this function, you have something that we call dependencies, right? And these dependencies here must be managed, and there are some professional techniques that I'm going to show you to manage these dependencies. And trust me, by the end of this lesson, you are going to reach a new level of writing software. Most developers only know how to write scripts. That is basically this part of my metaphor, right? This part. By the end of this lesson, you are going to be able to write all of this, okay? All of this. So without further ado, let's dive in. Working remotely completely changed my life. Now I have time, energy, and freedom to enjoy the things I love. That's why I created a free training showing the exact steps I use to attract remote opportunities. Check the link below and get free access right now.